This is why you need to thank your lucky stars. You're not a bird of paradise. Their dating game is intense. From dancing birds to singing whales, the animal kingdom is full of unique ways to say I love you. Take the bowerbird, for example. This feathered architect builds intricate nests, decorating them with colorful objects to woo a mate. Ladies love a good decorator, am I right? Then there's the male peacock. He fans out his dazzling tail feathers, strutting his stuff to impress the peahens. It's all about those stunning looks and showmanship. Talk about having a flair for the dramatic. But it's not all about flashy displays. Some animals keep it simple yet sweet, like the swans who mate for life and perform graceful synchronized dances. True love on the water, and let's not forget everyone's favorite crooners, the whales. These oceanic Romeos sing complex songs that can be heard for miles, serenading their potential partners. Love songs under the sea? Yes, please. So the next time you think your dating life is complicated, just remember, at least you don't have to build a nest or sing a ballad to find love. The animal kingdom sure knows how to keep things wild and interesting. Until next time, stay curious and keep loving all things wild.